Everybody, how you doing? We're going to do a cold start today. Everybody's asking, well, how about that old vehicle you had sitting in the yard? Does that run? Does that start? Well, I don't know. Let's see. I bet it does. That's my, okay, here we go. Yeah. Let's see here. How long has it been? Probably a week or two. Been sitting here not running. How you like that, folks? Too bad the tranny's shot. You got that running?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
This is how you start a truck that
Cold start. What year is this truck?
96.
96 Chevy. How long has this thing been sitting here not running?
Overnight.
Oh, geez, overnight. It's been cold last night. We better...
I'll tell you, break that seat.
How about that? Good old Chevy truck, huh? That's good. She's running, folks. This one, the tranny's out too?
It will be when you get done with it. Okay, that's the end of the cold start.
Can John